In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on eBay international shipping. Whether you're an established e-commerce seller or just starting out, expanding your potential customer base globally can be a great way to enhance your business. Let's walk through the simple steps to ensure your products can reach buyers around the world. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the eBay website. For most people, this will be ebay.com if you are in the United States. Once there, the next step is to log into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do that first, but I'm assuming you're ready to go for this tutorial. After logging in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top portion of the eBay homepage. Look for the Help and Contact link and click on it. This will be your gateway to finding relevant information and resources about eBay services, including their international shipping options. Once you're in the Help and Contact section, use the search feature to look up eBay International Shipping Program. This search should guide you to a dedicated page that outlines everything you need to know about the program. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this information to ensure you're fully compliant and understand the benefits and limitations of the program. At this point, you'll see the terms and eligibility requirements for participating in the eBay International Shipping Program. The key eligibility criteria include maintaining an above-standard or top-rated seller performance. You'll also want to ensure that you are eligible for seller protections and have low or average service metrics. Additionally, complying with eBay's rules and policies is a must for a smooth operation. As you plan to ship items internationally, there are some specific requirements for the items to be aware of. For your items to qualify, they must be physically located in the United States and listed on ebay.com. They also need to be eligible for export. Remember, there's a cost threshold. The total cost of the order, inclusive of shipping fees, must not exceed $2,500 USD. There are also certain size and weight restrictions on packages. Your packages should not exceed 48 inches in length or 84 inches when you add the length and girth together. Additionally, the billable weight for shipments to most countries should not exceed 44 pounds. However, when shipping to Canada, the maximum billable weight extends to 66 pounds. Following these instructions carefully will ensure you meet all requirements, allowing you to expand your reach by offering international shipping through eBay. By adhering to these guidelines, you can tap into a global customer base, potentially increasing your sales and growing your business effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on eBay.